I've got my Etekcity infrared thermometer. Let's go around the house and test this thing out. So I just finished a fire in the fireplace and I want to see if these ashes have cooled off. So we're going to go ahead and scan it. And it's kind of fluctuating in there. You can see, look, 400, 500, 600 degrees. Go ahead and scan that light bulb. It's about 100 degrees. So if we want to see how hot the water is, no way. That is awesome. That water is 112 degrees right now. All right, I just cooked a dish. Now this has stopped cooking, but if I wanted to scan the surface temperature of it, all right, it's about at 107 degrees. It's telling me that is at 1.8 degrees, 2 degrees. Let's do this. I got one of these ice packs in here. Let's scan the surface temp on that. Oh, negative 1.3 degrees. The closer I get, so the surface temp is like negative 1.8, which was what this was up here. So if I just scan like the back of the refrigerator, yep, it's telling me 20, 28, 29 degrees, which is what, oh, 34, 30. That's roughly what I have this set at. You point and click, that's it. And you're gonna get surface temp of anything that you want. Water, fire, light bulbs, the stove. So if you want to check temps, you got to get this. It's very simple. That is my quick review. Thanks for watching.